making a mess. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new viewer, then stick around a little longer if you truly like today's content. My channel is about fashion and beauty. If you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I missed you guys. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup review and makeup tutorial for beginners. And what I'll be reviewing today is a drugstore makeup line. It is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation and their Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer. Let's just dive right into this video, y'all. The first thing I did before even turning on this camera was do my skincare routine. I do this just every single day. You always want to make sure your face is moisturized before doing any makeup. Y'all, it is hot out, so I love this. It is so lightweight, but it does the trick. I'm using the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream, the Kale Plus Spinach Hyaluronic Acid by Youth to the People. For sunscreen, I'm trying out something different. This is actually just a sample size. The one by Dermalogica, it is their Invisible Physical Defense in the SPF 30. So for the foundation, I got it in the color Camel. This claims that it is 24 hours and it's a matte finish. Now, I usually don't like matte finishes, but I really wanted to try this foundation because I don't think I've ever tried a NYX foundation before. The concealer also does claim that it is up to 24 hours matte finish. Together, these two were $18, but they were both sold for $8.50. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna put the original price on the NYX website on the screen, but I think Walgreens was just having a sale. Or maybe that is the real price. Let me know. I'll look it up when I edit this video. For my blending sponge, y'all, I'm going to just be using this one I picked up at Walgreens as well. It's their microfiber sponge. Come closer, closer. Okay, 2 pumps. It's not runny at all, it's pretty firm. Okay, might be a little bit too dark. I'll work with it. Okay. I definitely should have got a lighter one, y'all. As long as my concealer is light, I feel like I can make this work. Okay guys, so this is the first layer. With matte foundations, if I add too much, it just looks cakey. I just do not like the look of it, so I'm just gonna not add any more of that. So let's test it out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I can go ahead and swatch it on my hand. So it definitely is lighter. But whenever you put on concealer, you definitely want to make sure you cover your blemishes, your under eye bags, and just anywhere you want a little extra coverage. A lighter color concealer is perfect for your under eye bags. Now, if you get a skin tone concealer, one that is just the same color as your foundation, that's perfect for covering your blemishes and anything else that wants a little extra coverage. So a lighter concealer, good for under eye bags and anything you want to brighten up. Skin tone concealer is good for if you don't want that little extra lighter coverage under your eye or just covering any pimples or anything. You definitely don't want to use a lighter concealer for your pimples because, girl, that'll definitely make them show out more. So keep it neutral, keep it the same color as your foundation if you just want to cover any blemishes. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the foundation and concealer together. It definitely covered up my mole. My under eye bags, it looks like they vanished. Now the puffiness is another story, but the dark circles, gone. We don't know where. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. It's giving Winnie. It's giving a Winnie. So I'm going to be setting my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just going to use my Eco's small brush. And yes, I already have powder on it because I already started. I'm only doing a very little. It gives me like 2016 vibes baking my under eyes. I just don't know why. But your girl just a light dusting now. Just does a little dusting. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. So for the eyebrows, I always use a brow pomade. So I'm going to be using the Becca, the Show and Light Brow Mousse, and the color Mocha. I'm just going to use my Eco's Tool Slanted Mini Brush. My technique of the eyebrow, I always trace the outside of my eyebrows first. And you're just going to follow your brow. Very simple. So now I'm going to go ahead and just color inside my brow. You don't want to like do this. You always want to make sure you go in stroking motions. Blend this out before I start applying more. I always recommend blending it out before finishing the whole thing. So afterwards you can clean it up. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean it up with an angle brush. Now this is just one I got from like a gift set a long time ago. I'm going to just be using the concealer by NYX, just turning it into the shape you want it, how you want your eyebrows to look. So I'm just going to clean up under the arch just to make it have a little bit more of an arch. Go ahead and clean up the top as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eyebrow off screen. Okay guys, so I just finished both eyebrows off camera. Oh my god. Okay. Next thing we are going to do is the contour. Very basic steps for this. I'm gonna be using the Patrick Ta Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. I'm using the color She's Chiseled. So for the powder, I'm gonna be using an angle contour brush by Mary Kay. So I always make sure to contour my jawline every time I contour. That's all contouring is, bringing out your features. So I'm gonna go ahead and go right from under my ear to just the whole jaw on both sides. And I don't want to start like right here. Go ahead and start up here, then stop it midway on top of your cheekbone. That's where you want to contour. Next thing I'm going to do is my forehead. You basically just want to do not on, but right under your hairline. My nose is fairly easy as well. You just want to get the outer lines of your nose. So right here is what you want to contour. Then I always put my contour into my eye. So I just go ahead and make this motion just so it looks very natural. For my mascara today, I'm not even gonna pronounce the first word because I don't want to insult anyone, but I'm gonna be using my Lancome mascara. I'm just gonna say it's called Big. So I always just do it in smooth upward strokes. And I also blink while I put my mascara on. And I always do my mascara at an angle, so I'm always looking down, because if I just do it like this, I feel like it'll go onto my eyelid. So I always look down at my mirror and do my mascara like that. I'm gonna be darkening my mole because this definitely covered it up and I love showing my mole. I'm just going to be using a liquid eyeliner by L'Oreal. It is their L'Oreal Liner Intense and in the color Carbon Black. Just like that. The cherry on top of your sundae. This is what makes the whole look come together, I feel like. And that, my friend, is the highlighter. Oh, feisty highlighter. A really old one because I can't find my new one I just bought by Becca. I'm just gonna be using my Urban Decay Naked Illuminated highlighter, and this is an old one, y'all. I'm gonna be using my blush brush by Mary Kay. is me spraying setting spray, and I'm just going to be using drugstore setting spray by Milani. It is their Make It Last spray. Just do it 2 sprays.
2 sprays.
This is the final look. This is just the natural glam. Just something very simple, very beginner friendly tutorial. So I rate these products 8 out of 10 just because I am not a matte girl. Matte is not for me. I don't like how it dries up so fast before you blend it. Now, I haven't tried every single matte concealer and foundation in the world, so I'm not sure if they all do this, but from most of them I have tried, they all seem to dry up very fast. I would definitely just use a damp beauty blender, but I think these products do very well together. I was a little bit skeptical. I was like, I don't know. I was skeptical because I thought this was gonna be too light and this was gonna be too dark, but they both worked beautifully together. As you guys can see, it looks fine. So I think it works well with my contour and the rest of my makeup. I would not use too much powder with this product as well, just so you don't have a cakey look, but I just feel like that's how it is with a lot of matte products as well. So guys, if you're looking for a good matte foundation and concealer, I would definitely hit up your Walgreens and get these. They're very cheap, $8.50 a piece, and together 17. Not bad, not bad. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, any questions, suggestions, anything you guys want me to know, what you guys want me to do next. If you guys want to see more fashion and beauty videos, then make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. This soaked up my juices really fast, my water really fast, so okay, I said that wrong.